question I'm most often asked by business owners is, should I incorporate? The answer will always be yes. Possibly not a corporation, possibly a limited liability company. That is a question for you to ask your attorney and go over. But let's talk about corporations. Yes, you should incorporate your company if that is the entity that best suits your particular needs. The reason for that is limited liability. You do not want, if your company is sued, to be held personally liable. People have this mistaken belief that if I have a business and is doing business as, your business will be sued. No, you are your business. Just as you're your business on your taxes, you're your business within any transaction or any mishap that may happen. I can think of numerous reasons and numerous different circumstances where you need the protection. We can go over a number of them. I'll just throw a couple of them out there. Let's say you have a landscaping company and you've got all that material and you kick up a rock with your little weed whacker or whatever. It goes through someone's window. God forbid that rock hits someone in the face. You could be possibly looking at tens of thousands, if not $1 million, just by blinding someone. That's just one thing. Let's say you're a massage therapist and you're adjusting someone or giving someone a massage and there's some pre-existing condition that you're not aware of and you permanently injure that person, which is possible or even likely. Yes, you will be sued. What kind of things can happen to you? If you don't have a Homestead Act, you could actually lose your home. You might not be able to lose your home if you have a Homestead Act, but you can lose all of your assets that are in the bank. You can have wage garnishment. There are a number of different things. Any lawsuit, just like all these other personal injury lawyers that you see on TV in car accidents, there are lawyers that go after businesses that do the exact same thing. If anything happens, a product you sell malfunctions, it hurts someone, you by mistake hurt someone, one of your employees hurts someone, one of your vehicles gets out of gear, rolls down the street and damages someone's property or someone's person. Without the protection of a corporation or other form of separate entities such as a limited liability company, you're the one responsible. We could talk about all the tax benefits, all the accounting benefits, but at the end of the day, what you want to protect is you. You want an experienced law firm that will guide you through which particular entity is best for you, a corporation, limited liability company, limited liability partnership, what have you. The point is you need to protect yourself. And at the Botelho Law Group, we are experts at providing legal advice to businesses either at startup or most of our clients are already well-established businesses that for some reason have been doing business as the whatever name it is, but it's still you. You need to remove the financial liability of running a business from yourself. You'll also be removing it from your family, from your household, from your assets. The tiny amount of money that it takes to actually form a separate legal entity versus having the liability of any type of business whenever you interact with other human beings or other businesses, you're going to be held personally liable. And for that reason, you need to either incorporate a limited liability company or a limited liability partnership. That's best left up to you discussing your particular business with your attorney. But the simple answer is, if you own a business, you need to form a separate legal entity to take the fall, God forbid, if anything happens.